Well, one of the main challenges in clinical practice and the questions that we have, what are the predictors for the good response to the medication? So in this study, Pearl study, we learned some interesting insights from the post-hoc analysis, and that was focused on early initiation. So this post-hoc analysis included 1,128 participants, and in this episodic migraine and less than 2 prior preventive treatment failures, they had the highest minimum 50% monthly migraine days reduction rates. Okay, so that was approximately 68% at month 6. And if we compare that to the chronic migraine with at least 3 failures, previous failures, it was something between 50 to 55. Okay, so we see this numerical difference. But later on, we conducted a multivariate modeling and showed that episodic compared to chronic migraine with odds ratio 1.79 and with a highly significant and no prior, it's interesting, no prior onabotulinum toxin type A use, they were significantly associated with the better outcomes, which this with post-hoc analysis, with all these reservations, of course, for post-hoc analysis, suggests that the earlier CGRP monoclonal antibody initiation might have the optimized response. Well, I mean, the Pearl study showed that this Fremanezumab worked across whole spectrum of migraine, from episodic to chronic. But what we saw in this post-hoc analysis that the patients with episodic migraine and fewer than the 3 prior preventive failures, as well as those who were naive to onabotulinum toxin type A, they demonstrated the greatest reduction and in monthly migraine days. But as I said, overall effectiveness was quite robust across episodic and chronic. Okay, and there were no new long-term safety concerns. I mean, again, Fremanezumab should be cautiously used in patients with known hypersensitivity to monoclonal antibodies, and but then again, given reimbursement and guideline criteria, initiating treatment earlier, before the multiple traditional preventive failures, seems to maximize benefit. But this is something we need to study more. And of course, it all depends on reimbursement and guideline criteria in the different countries across Europe.